Hello, welcome to Northeast PSC. Northeast PSC লৈ সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো and good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon. অকণমান wait কৰিম আৰু কেইজনমান মানুহে log মানে if they get connected till then we can wait for 1 or maybe half a minute and then we'll begin today's discussion with respect to 10 more questions. আৰু I'm waiting for a few more people to join, like, yeah. Yes. Okay. Should we begin? Maybe we should begin because waiting too much might cause laxity for people who will join later. যিসকলে recorded video সব ইহঁতে কয় কি মানুহজন একেবাৰে মানে খালি টাইম পাছ কৰিছে. Okay, without any further delay, let us begin today's discussion. I will ask you the question and give you 10 seconds to respond, and then we will debunk the answer. Okay, moving ahead. So here lies the first question of the day. आपके स्क्रीन पे रहा ये. According to India's census 2011, how much is India's sex ratio? Sex ratio is how many women against 1,000 men. Okay, against 1,000 men. So of course we live in a country where men preference or boy child, the preference for boy child is more. Lora lage amar ki lage, always we search for male, and that is why for a very long time, in India, female feticide was there. Female feticide, female infanticide. Okay, এনেকুৱা নহয় যে আমি একবিংশ শতিকাত আছো সেইকাৰণে আমাৰ মানে এই প্ৰবলেমবোৰ একদম নাইকিয়া হৈ গৈছে. আজিৰ দিনতো কোনো না কোনো এটা কৰ্নাৰ অফ দিস কান্ট্ৰি তাত কি হৈ আছে, ফিমেল ফিটিচাইড বা ফিমেল ইনফেন্টিচাইড হৈ আছে. ঠিক আছে, আৰু সেইকাৰণে আমি আমাৰ সমাজত যেটো মহিলাৰ সংখ্যা হেতু আমি কম দেখা পাওঁ. Okay, so due to this, the number of women against 1,000 men is always less than 1,000. So how much is the answer? Is it 940, 930, 943, 935? Tell me. According to the 2011 census, what is the sex ratio of India overall? Okay, so I'm going to reveal you the correct answer. The correct answer is C, which is 943. Okay, this is the national sex ratio. Okay, this all over India due to sex ratio heti all yat. Aru jodi eta question hode kuntu state with lowest sex ratio in India, hetu ki hobo? Haryana. ঠিক আছে, হাৰিয়ানাত এইবোৰ মানে মেল সেন্ট্রিক সোসাইটি টু বেছি হয়. তাত উইমেনক বহুত মানে mistreat by women against বহুত এনেকুৱা ill treatment used to be there. I don't know what is the situation in present scenario. hobo pare the situation to improve hoise, but this is why Haryana has the lowest sex ratio, which is called 877. Like against 1,000 men there are 877 women. But if someone asks you which state has the highest sex ratio, it is Kerala. Okay, Kerala has around 1,084 women against 1,000 men. So this is why Kerala is doing so good in all kind of indices. Jiman bur report loi aha hoy government or dara, jiman index publish kora hoy, tat Kerala jetu ranking ase hoday uporot thake. ঠিক আছে, all the good rankings. Okay, So yeah, this is with respect to question number 1, that is 101. Moving on to second question of the day. So at which place Alakananda and Bhagirathi meet and take the name Ganga? মানে আলাকানন্দা ৰিভাৰ আৰু ভাগীৰথী ৰিভাৰ এই দুটা ওপৰৰ পৰা আহি আহি এটা ঠাইত ইহঁতে লগ দিয়ে যিটো ঠাইত they meet, this place is called, from there on the river comes to be known as Ganga. What is that place? Is it Devprayag? Is it Allahabad? Is it Haridwar? Is it Rishikesh? So it is pretty easy that Allahabad cannot be the answer, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Haridwar is also, if you know that Haridwar, Rishikesh, these are in the lower part of Uttarakhand. If you talk about upper part, it is Devprayag. So correct answer has to be Devprayag. Okay, so this is where Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river meets and they take the name Ganga. Okay, I hope it is understandable. And where is this Devprayag? It is a small town, okay, near Tehri Garhwal district in the state of Uttarakhand. So Devprayag, it is in Tehri district of UK. It is not United Kingdom, it is Uttarakhand. Yeah. Okay, so and if we talk about Devprayag, it is one of the Panch Prayag of Alaknanda river, where Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river meets. What are the Panch Prayag rivers? Panch Prayag means there has to be 5 rivers. It is your homework or your assignment to know this. Okay, moving on to the question number 3rd. Okay, which of the following mountains pass has created by the Tista river? So Nathula, Jelepla, Niti Pass, Asirgarh. Kuntu mountain pass Tista river সহায়ত create hoise? You need to know the correct answer. So Tista river is responsible for the creation of which pass, mountain pass? A, B, C, D. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Sometimes I'm giving you more than 10 seconds. Just you take it seriously, and even if you're not putting the answer in your comment box, try and come up with like be honest with your responses. Okay, so the correct answer has to be Jelepla. Okay, B is the correct answer. Anyone and everyone who commented B as the correct answer, they deserve applause. So Jelepla was created by Tista river. It is situated in like Sikkim and Bhutan के border में है. Sikkim Bhutan border में आपको मिलेगा Jelepla. Okay, Jelepla pass. This pass passes through the Chumbi Valley. There is a valley here called Chumbi Valley. Also Chumbi Valley. Okay, these are the information that you should be knowing. Okay, all good? Yes. So moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Fourth question of the day and 104th question overall. Okay. So the question is this. Which of the following is the most suitable natural place for olive ridley sea turtles for mating and nesting? Olive ridley sea turtle আছে মানে আমি কি বুলি কওঁ এটো tortoise আৰু কি আছিল or there are so many varieties, there are so many varieties of tortoises. One of them is known as olive ridley sea. তো এওঁলোকৰ পপুলেশ্যন বৃদ্ধি কৰাৰ কাৰণে মেটিং যেটো কৰা হয় প্ৰডাকশ্যন প্ৰচেছৰ কাৰণে যেটো ইহঁতৰ যেটো সেক্সুৱেল এক্টিভিটি আছে with the same species হেইটো আৰু নেস্টিং মানে ইহঁতৰ মানে এক্সিস্টেন্সৰ কাৰণে কোনটো প্লেস most suitable? Is it Gulf of Kutch, that is Marine National Park, or is it Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park? Is it Gahir Matha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, or is it Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park? Tell me the correct answer. A, B, C, D. So So C is the correct answer. Gahirmatha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, C is the correct answer. So coast of Odisha in India is the largest mass nesting site for the olive ridley. If you talk about Odisha में there is a Odisha की अगर हम बात करें in general उड़ीसा के कोस्ट में it is the most suitable place जहाँ पर olive ridley आते हैं. They indulge in mating and they also stay there as netting like nesting. इसके अलावा आपको सेकंड बेस्ट प्लेस कहाँ पे मिलता है? एक है आपका कोस्टारिका. ओके, कोस्टारिका it is in Mexico. It is also another nice place for olive ridley population. Okay, so after about 45 to 65 days the eggs begin to hatch. Like যেতিয়া মানে এই olive ridley turtle যেতিয়া egg to এৰি দিয়ে তাৰ পৰা 45 to 65 days it takes on and around 1.5 to 2 months to hatch the eggs, and these beaches are swarmed with crawling olive ridley turtles babies making their first trek towards the vast ocean. तो ओशेনত एकदम सीधा इहते यार পৰা অকনমান ডাঙৰ হৈ না सीधा ओशेনত যায়. So Odisha in general is a good place. Gahirmatha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary is the most important one. Apart from that, Costa Rica in Mexico is another suitable place. Gahirmatha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, so this is what you need to know with respect to and of course this has to be in which state? Gahirmatha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, this has to be in Odisha if we are talking about what like yes, Odisha. Okay, moving on to the fifth question of the day. Okay, the International Rice Research Institute is located in which country? US, Singapore, Philippines, Thailand. Dun, dun. Okay, can I expect the correct answer? So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Philippines is the correct answer. This is where you find the International Rice Research Institute. It is an independent non-profit research and educational like institute. Okay, and it was founded in around 1960 by the Ford and Rockefeller Foundation. At a foundation is a Ford and Rockefeller Foundation. Okay, this foundation established International Rice Research Institute in the Philippines in 1960 with the support from the Philippine government. Of course, if I am establishing a research center in any country, then I must have support from that government. Okay, and the institute headquarters in Los Banos. Okay, it is called okay, Los Banos. It is where you find the headquarters of this institute, and it has offices in 17 rice growing countries in Asia and Africa. So all these things with respect to rice research institute, International Rice Research Institute. Okay, moving on to the question number 6. Which of the following is the most abundant dissolved ion in the ocean? There are some ions like chlorine ion, bromine ion, potassium ion, calcium ion, which is found in the ocean in its like maximum quantity. सबसे बेसी कट पहुंच जाए. 10 seconds again. So ideally chlorine and sodium chloride and sodium ion, these are found in the like most abundant number. So the two of the most prevalent ions in sea water are chloride and sodium. Together they make up around 85% of all. These two make 85% of all the dissolved ions in the ocean. Since there is no option of sodium in the like in amongst these 4 options, so that is why chlorine is the correct answer. Okay, I hope it is understandable. Moving on to question number 7. So which of the following is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Son, Gandak, Bagmati, Kosi. It is so easy. Please put your answer in the comment box. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Are you guys lazy or you just do not want to comment? Key comment kuru. Time waste hai. Nobody is commenting. Okay. So Kosi River, it is known as the sorrow of Bihar. Okay. D is the correct answer. So I think it is pretty easy. Everyone knows this. And it originates in where? Where does it originate? It originates in Tibet. Okay. So this river flows in China, Nepal, then India. So Tibet is controlled by China. So that is how it is. It is flowing through 3 different countries. Okay. It forms the left bank tributary of Ganga. So Ganga is upara para eneko kai ahi ase, thik ase. This is the direction. Tante your left kuntu hobo. This is the left. So this is somewhere the Kosi River joins the like Ganga. Okay, and it causes flood in Bihar, and like every year during monsoon time in northern Bihar there is a tremendous flood, just like Ahomad যেনেকুৱা হয় আমাৰ অসমত ধেমাজিৰ ফালে যেটো ধেমাজি মাজুলী এইবোৰ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত যিমান আমাৰ বানপানীৰ মানে সমস্যা আমি দেখা পাওঁ, just like that Bihar also goes through a tremendous flood every year, but every time there is a flood in northern India or southern India there is so much attention, but অসমৰ আমাৰ যেতিয়া অসমত floods হয় ইমান মানে আমাৰ attention বা ইমান মানে media attention আমি দেখা নাপাওঁ. So this is what you need to know with respect to Kosi River. Originates in Tibet, flows through Nepal, and then in India. Moving on to the question number 8. Which of the following national park in Odisha serves as the natural habitat of white tiger? Which of the following national park in Odisha serves as the natural habitat of white tiger? Nandankanan National Park, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, the Chigam National Park, Kaziranga Sanctuary. So you know that Kaziranga is not in Odisha, so it cannot be the correct answer. So Ahomor Ami Hong. So how can we just, because this type of questions are framed to like someone who is not living in Assam and not aware about Kaziranga, they might attempt this also. So এই কারণে মানে ঘোরাফেরা বা interstate study is very important. You know a lot of things. Okay. So what would be the correct answer? Nandankanan National Park is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. This is where you find like white tigers, white tiger in its natural form. Okay. इसके अलावा अगर हम बात करें, moving on to the question number 9, 109th. Okay. Which of the following sanctuary is famous for the rare gangetic dolphin and also for magar and gharial? Crocodile, alligator, Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Gahirmatha Marine Wildlife Sanctuary, National Chambal Sanctuary. Which would be the correct answer? A, B, C, D. Yes. Anyone? So all of you whoever is commenting this in your own time, live jihoto 9 elokor kotha koi asu, jetia you're watching this video, please make sure that you go through the options and put your answer in the comment box. That will make you accountable to yourself. We do not need to prove ourselves to anyone, but we need to prove ourselves to us each and every single day. So the correct answer has to be National Chambal Sanctuary. Yat ami ki dekha pau gangetic dolphin pau, magar buliye pau, magar, ঠিক আছে, crocodile মানে হেতু আৰু ঘৰিয়াল এই সকলো কেইটা বস্তু আমি ন্যাশনাল চাম্বল ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ স্যাংচুৰীত আমি দেখা পাওঁ ঠিক আছে ইট ইজ ওয়ান অফ দ্য পলিউশন ফ্ৰী ৰিভাৰ্ছ অফ ইণ্ডিয়া যদি চাম্বল ৰিভাৰ আছে ইয়াত পলিউশন বহুত কম হয় ঠিক আছে পলিউশন ফ্ৰী ৰিভাৰ বুলি আমি ক'ব পাৰো ইয়াত ঠিক আছে and it provides the perfect habitat for the Gangetic gharials and the Gangetic dolphins and other aquatic animals. Of course, any river which is pollution free, that would be most suitable for any kind of marine species to live there. Moving on to the 10th and final question of the day. Which of the following is not a cause of soil erosion? Drainage, deforestation, weathering, grazing. কোনটো আমাৰ কি হয় সয়েল ইৰোজন বুলি আমি সয়েল ইৰোজনৰ কাৰণ নহয় কোনটো so the correct answer would be weathering. Okay, weathering di ami ki dekha pao weathering causes what like আমি এটো দেখা পাও রকত হয় ঠিক আছে so it is the process of wearing or being worn by long exposure to the atmosphere when some rock is or something which is exposed to atmosphere or like mostly breaking down or dissolving of rocks when it is exposed to atmosphere for a very, very long time. Okay, so it has nothing to do with soil erosion. These are the 10 questions that I wanted to discuss today. That shall be all for today. Please let me know in the comment box how these sessions are helping you or not and what more can be done to improve them and yeah, all your queries and suggestions are more than welcome. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.